Yeah, that's an awesome house, man. Sparks are flying, metal's getting cut, chipping stones. This stuff is awesome. Молодец. This is some fine art. What could go wrong? It's not smoke, it's dust from a plumber doing his job. Ha 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 ha. So, a delivery that was supposed to be here at 9:30 in the morning, and it was a nice sunny day all day until now. It's windy now, which is awesome, and I have 8,000 rubles worth of metal roofing that just showed up at 4:30 in the afternoon. It's about to get dark. That's awesome. Super, super, super awesome. Yeah. What can I say? This Belarus, baby. Gotta love it. It's a bit windy today, and tonight's supposed to be a little bit windy as well, so they're tying it down. What could go wrong? Well, the fire's burning down, and so am I. Man, finally got everything we needed, and yeah, it's like we got parts that the roofing company that I paid for, the roofing company gave me, and even the roofer has no idea what the heck they're for. Oh my gosh, this is how it is that they had to tie it down. And oh yeah, they gave me another pallet. How nice of them. I'm just so happy to have another pallet in my life here. Yeah, this driver in a hurry to get out of here. Sorry, buddy, but I waited for you all day long. I took my sweet time to sign that paper. As soon as my guy Vladimir said it was good to go, I did. I signed it. Yeah, I gave him a little dose of his own medicine. Yay! So I'm in here, nice and dry and not so much warm, but fine. I have to cut this metal here. I gotta cut 70 centimeters off of this, and then I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna paint it. This is gonna be fun. Well, that was pretty awesome. My trusty grinder there. По-русски это болгарка. Болгарка. Apparently, when grinders came about here, they came from Bulgaria, so they call them a bolgarka. Who knew? Those things came apart for just fine. Now I got to get the wire brush on there, clean these things up, put some paint on there, some anti-corrosion, and it's all gonna buff out. Well, good morning, folks. It's a nice frosty morning here. Last night, painted these up, grinded them down. They're all painted and should be dry by now, I hope. It's a little cold. It's like, I think 4 degrees Celsius right now. Plumber has been busy at work. Here's our cold and hot water supply. It's interesting. It's pretty cool. It's gonna run through here and then go up to the second floor in there. And then get some light. It's going up through that hole. We're making progress all around. Can't stop winter from coming. It feels like snow. It feels like snow. You know when snow is coming when you feel it in your bones. And I'm feeling it now. So this is the process. This stuff, it gets screwed in over here, and the important step right here is this fold up on that end. And they just line it up. First they got to cut it out, the corners, right there, and then they just bend it up. Super simple, and that's the end that gets attached to the wall right there. So this will all get screwed in along this edge, and then this edge basically just clicks right in there to that edge. So it's a seamless roof. And we went with this roof style because the pitch there is a lot more than it is here. And he's just gonna cut that corner out there to make that work. And I gotta stay out of the way. Yeah, he just lines on up there, and he's going to scribe that out and then figure out what it needs to do. It's going to be awesome. So this is all going to get folded over like that. And then once they snap it in on that seam right there, this is all just going to go nice and tight right up in there. Use a little mechanical persuasion. Gotta cut it out just a little bit. Yep. When in doubt, hammer out. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Yep. This is the fun part. Молодец. Да. Класс. That's never coming out. That just gets folded over. Voila. Nice. Давай. That's why I hired the professionals to do this, because I'd probably gum it up pretty good, but yeah, all in all, very happy. These guys do good work. I'm trying to climb over this little catwalk here, scaffolding, and not fall down or step on my roofing material. So this roof up here that they're building is going to last a long time. It's going to last a long time. This is all premium materials that we used, and see, the lumber itself cost $1,000 if I remember correctly. The metal that we're putting up there, it costs 8,000 rubles. I don't know how much that is in US dollars. I honestly don't even want to know. And the labor itself is $22 a square meter. And we have, oh, what did I say? It's about 38 square meters, something along those lines. So yeah, about 3,000 bucks. And all in all, though, I'm very happy with the building materials here in Belarus. The way they build things here is much different from the way things are built in the States. And you know, that stuff lasts, a roof in the States will last you 20, 30 years, something like that. This, I believe, will last, like I said, well into my children's life, I hope. I should be dead and gone before this roof needs to be replaced. The original roofing that is on here, was on the house originally when we bought it, is still in really, really good shape. It's had a couple years to patina, so it's going to be look a little bit different in color, but I'm looking at comparing the two right now, and I can hardly tell the difference. You could tell the roof pitch there is much more steeper than this one here. So that with that seamless roofing system, there won't be any problem for snow to just slide right off, and that's the key. So I'm gonna leave it at that. The snow hit us. Very little, just a light dusting, nothing crazy. But these guys are in there fixing to tear things up. I got a little fire going out here, keep the hands warm if needed, and it's exciting. I think it's funny how with every construction site, with every job, there's usually one, maybe two guys working, and the other guys are just standing around watching. The most important thing happening right now is these dudes here, they're professionals. You could tell. They know what the hell they're talking about. I don't. And they're doing it, and I think they're going to do a really good job. So they've made a few cuts already, and they found where the concrete exists, and they are going right below that. And these big plates are going to go underneath the concrete, so that way it supports that windowsill right there, and life is going to be good. The absolute first time in my life I've ever seen anybody use a arc welder to cut a hole in metal. It's absolutely awesome. I love Belarus. So that's what the first one's going to look like. So we have a happy ending. Happy ending. We put the metal on both sides. Had a heck of a time drilling through one of them, but they were able to get both of them connected, and they are like they are. I just have to put some insulation stuff, some insulation foam up there, and then we'll put Stuckaturka on it. My favorite thing to say, and just cover it up and like just live normal, you know. Like I was a little worried through this process that there was going to be some kind of catastrophe with all the grinding and hammering and chiseling that they were doing, but everything is okay. Thanks God. Absolutely, everything is okay. We've got peace of mind now. We got peace of mind. And those two pieces of metal up there, that thing's not ever going anywhere. It's never going nowhere. So life is good. As I sit here and look at this, I just can't help but think to myself, at the beginning of the summer, none of that existed. And it's, I don't know, I'm very proud of what we've accomplished so far. It's coming along, and it's only going to get better. Every day is a step forward towards completion, which seems like forever from now. But with that, I'm going to leave this video, and on the next one, we should be able to show you the final product. So all is well. Do something awesome, guys. Do something awesome. And new subscribers, welcome. And keep following along. There'll be more fun adventures. So until next time, have a great week.